Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in innovative solutions for your everyday needs. Today, we're diving into the world of smart irrigation with what we confidently consider the best smart sprinkler controller on the market. The Orbit 57995 B-hyve EXR Smart 16-Zone Indoor-Outdoor Sprinkler Controller. Now, what makes the B-hyve EXR stand out from the crowd? Let's start with its seamless connectivity. Unlike its predecessors, this smart controller effortlessly switches between 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, ensuring a stable connection even at longer ranges. No more frustrating disconnects interrupting your watering schedule. Setting up and managing your irrigation system has never been easier. With the user-friendly B-hyve app, you can adjust settings, customize watering durations, and create schedules tailored to your landscape, all from the palm of your hand. No tech expertise required. But wait, there's more. Say hello to WeatherSense technology. This intuitive feature checks your local weather conditions multiple times a day, recalculates soil moisture levels, and makes smart decisions about when and how long to water. Rain in the forecast? The B-hyve EXR will automatically delay watering, saving water and money. In conclusion, the Orbit 57995 B-hyve EXR Smart 16-Zone Sprinkler Controller is a must-have for any homeowner looking to elevate their outdoor watering experience. With its seamless connectivity, user-friendly interface, and advanced WeatherSense technology, it's truly in a league of its own. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and hello to a lush, thriving garden, all while saving time, money, and water. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, happy watering!